Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming both phones are powered and unlocked, then go straight to settings on the phone currently sharing contacts. Open Accounts or Google Settings because you need to find which account is syncing contacts. Once located, tap the account to expose sync options. Make sure you understand whether contacts are tied to a Google account, device memory, or a corporate exchange account, since the next steps differ by account type. Once done locating the account, switch off the Contacts Sync toggle to stop ongoing sharing. You may see a sync icon disappear. Good sign. If multiple accounts appear, repeat these steps for each account that lists contacts. For contacts saved on the device rather than an account, export them to a vCard or move to a different account, then delete the copies you don't want shared. This prevents accidental resharing when an account is re-enabled. You finish by force-stopping the Contacts app and Google Play services, then reboot the phone to clear cached sync states. This ensures changes take effect. After restart, check the other phone to confirm contacts no longer appear. Make sure to refresh its Contacts app. If contacts still persist, remove the problematic account from the source phone or clear Contacts app data. This is the key troubleshooting step if toggles alone don't stop sharing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.